We have to try that. Let's try it with this one. We got the clear slime. Let's see. Oh. Now it's stuck. Let's try one more time. Okay, I know it works.
This is my fidget. This is my follower's fidget. And this, well, this is my...
Oh my gosh! Can you show all of your favorite fidgets, please? Well, since you asked so nicely, of course I can. So one of my number one favorite fidgets of all time are these dimples, and I got mine from Mrs. Bench. The faces are just so cute. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I definitely think that slime is a fidget, and slime is one of my favorite things to play with. My favorite slimes to play with at the moment in my collection are Twinkie Bread from Nicole Jacqueline. It smells so good. Honeymoon Clouds from Slime Obsidian. And Cereal Milk from Parakeet Slimes. I also love all of my stress balls. I'll show you guys some of my favorites. This Orbeez mesh ball from Fur & Mo. I recently got these PB&Js from Hallmark, and they have quickly become one of my favorite fidgets. And of course, I had to include this Jumbo DNA ball from Nicole Jacqueline. Magnet balls are just so satisfying. These are from Mrs. Bench, and she sells the best magnet balls.
How much would you buy this? $1 or $100?
Five things everyone with social anxiety needs. 1. A cosmic cube. 2. A girthy black orb. 3. The limitless spinner. 4. The Flippo is so darn satisfying. 5. My stepmom's favorite, the limitless spinner.
I spent 3 years designing this. Studied thousands of people with anxiety. It's the perfect.
You guys saw me do clear round Orbeez, so let's do clear square ones. I'm gonna wait like an hour or two, and then I'll update you on how big they get. All right, let's find one. Whoa! Oh my gosh, it looks like Jell-O. Oh my gosh, that is so cool.